Alright, y'all. Y'all see how these tires is wearing, right? So, I'm going to rebuild the front end on this truck. I got some play in the lower ball joint on the passenger side. So, we're going to rebuild all this on here. And I know I need the, let me get under here. These sway bars. Sorry, hold on. Sway bar links here. You can see that's doing a lot of good. And I definitely have some popping when I'm turning, which is probably this. And like I said, the lower ball joint for sure on the passenger side, is the driver's side. But I have bought a kit from 1A Auto. We're going to see how it goes. It came the other day. And I'm just now looking through everything. So my kit from 1A Auto came. I went ahead and ordered everything because honestly it's a heck of a lot cheaper. I know I need the sway bar connectors, but this thing right here, if you buy it at Advance, you gotta buy them one at a time. This kit comes with both sides. And I mean, it ain't nothing but a bolt with some rubber on it. It can't be that darn expensive, but at Advance it is. So I got the kit to get that. And I know, like I say, I got some play in the lower ball joint on the passenger side. Also comes with these upper control arms, which are greasable, which I like. They got grease fitting in them. And then these are not, though. I wish they were. No grease fittings on those. I don't know that I'm gonna replace the steering stuff here. We'll see, but probably gonna put all this on. It is TRQ parts, which are made in Taiwan. You get what you pay for, you know, but a lot of what's been thought of as American-made companies are going overseas anyway. So you're paying for the name and not getting the quality that you once expected. Prime example, Craftsman, now made in China, which is not automotive parts, but tools that I grew up using in Dad's shop forever. And then when I'm buying my tools, bought a screwdriver set and broke the Phillips first time I tried to use the darn thing. Took it back. That time we still had a Sears, and I realized it was made in China, but it did have a lifetime warranty. Took it back. The guy said, "What you been doing with this screwdriver?" I said, "I just been using it to take out a screw," and obviously that screw was tougher than this darn Phillips screwdriver. It's honestly really sad, but anyway, I digress. Hopefully these will be good enough to last me a little while anyways. So we'll get them put on here in a future video. But I did order this stuff from 1A Auto. Way cheaper than Advance Autos on O'Reilly's, any of those places, by ordering it as a kit. And it came in like 2 days. Free shipping, so you can't beat that. But we'll get it put on here shortly. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye now.